Hey friends, Tracy here from Life on the Clearance Aisle, making a little Easter bunny today with supplies from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need 4 plastic bowls, 2 large ones, and then of course 2 smaller ones. You're going to glue them together like I'm doing here. The larger one's going to be the bottom part of your bunny, and then the smaller ones will be the head of your bunny. You're also going to need some yarn. I got some chunky yarn that I had on hand from Hobby Lobby. It's about $6.99 a roll when it's not on sale, but usually you can always find it on sale either this week or next week. Then you're going to glue the two, the head and the body together. And then you're just going to start gluing your yarn on your plastic dishware there. Careful with your glue gun. I burnt myself about a dozen times during this project. And you're just going to keep continuing to go around and around until you have the whole body and the head covered with the chunky yarn. And y'all see my tree over there in the background. I took all my Mardi Gras decorations off, and I'm going to put my Easter decorations back on it. This part here is very time consuming. And here I'm halfway done with my body. And you just keep going. It turns out so cute. You just got to be patient and keep going around and putting your yarn on. And I chose this off-white ivory colored because my colors for Easter are going to be like ivory and white and pink and black. Or at least that's my plan for now. Things could change. Just got to keep going. I've got white glue all over my fingers, you can see. I should have wore them finger protectors. And just keep continuing around with your yarn until you get the whole head covered. I got this idea from Bargain Bethany. She did one, and then I think she said she got the idea from Chic on the Cheap on the Cheap or something like that. But I had watched Bargain Bethany, and I just wanted to give her a shout out for that. And see there, I've got the body completed. And then I also got some headband bunny ears, and then I covered it also in the yarn. As you're watching me do that here. And when I was doing these bunny ears, I burned myself. Oh, too much. But my problem is when I start a project, I want to get it done, so I'm not patient. I just I'm like, hurry, I got to get it done. Then I'm going to, once I have that covered, then I'm going to glue it onto the Easter Bunny. And then add a bow and some greenery too on that. I also bought a flower pot at the Dollar Tree that we're going to set it in once it's completed. This is a very easy project. Turns out super cute, but it is time consuming. You have to excuse the way I look. Hot mess. And I was sitting at our kitchen bar doing that, and I didn't use a mat underneath my glue gun, and I had glue everywhere. But the good thing about glue on that kind of laminate, I guess is what you call it, it comes right off. I did the sides of the ears and then decided I would do the backs of the ears because the backs of the ears were white and it didn't match my chunky yarn, so that's what I'm doing there, is covering the back of the ears. Excuse me. I don't know, it may have taken me 30 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour to do this whole project. But it was well worth it. Wait till the end till you see. Look at the back of the ear, super cute. And there's my Easter bunny. And then I'm just gonna find a way to connect the ears. I didn't like the way it looked when they were sitting so close up front, so I kind of moved the ears to the back. You'll see, and then I, wait till you turn, see, now it really doesn't look there, and I added a bow, and there you go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.